In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Evernote Tasks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a task, assign it, set a due date, add a reminder, and mark its priority so you can stay organized and on top of your work. Let's start from inside Evernote. Once you're logged in, look for the Tasks section. Depending on your layout, you'll usually find it in the left sidebar or at the top of the interface. Go ahead and click on Tasks. This opens a dedicated view where you can see all of your existing tasks collected in one place, even if they're attached to different notes. Think of this as your central command center for everything you need to do. Next, we're going to create a new task. In the Tasks view, find the button that says New Task and click on it. This brings up a simple task entry field. This is where you start defining exactly what you need to get done. Now, enter your task name. Try to be clear and specific here. Instead of writing something vague like project, write review project proposal or draft outline for presentation. A good task name makes it obvious what action you need to take, so when you see it later, you know immediately what to do without having to think too hard. After naming your task, you have the option to assign it to someone. Click on the Assign option, and you'll be able to choose a person from your available